You guys may see my face. It's New Year. So 2022, it's our reunion. And here we go. We are gonna watch some lights. Yes, some lights. I don't know how you call it. I just call it lights. I just call it skylights because it appears from nowhere and just goes to the sky. And you just fall down. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, the lights, the lights. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the moment of truth. The moment everybody is waiting for, guys. The lights. Oh my gosh, so loud. So loud. OMG, it's so loud. We are at Racha Pasong intersection, guys, and the lights are going insane. Whoa, baby! Oh my god, the lights are insane. Skies are crazy. Everywhere. While I was traffic jam, my dad also ran and take a photo of the light. Take a video of the lights. You can watch this on my channel. The last test video. My dad take this video in 4K, so it's real clear. Let's go, baby, everyone. Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Oh, look at that. Look at this giant golden Christmas tree, guys. Look at the giant golden Christmas tree. That's the giant golden Christmas tree. Yeah. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle and the giant golden Christmas tree is huge and amazing. You guys remember last time I'm jealous and I want to show you guys the giant Christmas tree. This time I'm not jealous. I'm going to show you guys the giant Christmas tree this time. Woohoo! Sorry, last time I'm kind of rude. Just joking. Look at all these lights. At the light. And in the night. You guys still remember that song? Comment down below if you guys can remember it. Look at the lights. And in the night. I forgot how to sing it. Bruh. Anyways. You're amazing. Amazing. These are amazing, more like amazing, guys. And those are AIDS advertisement. And there's nothing more here, so. Sus Christmas tree. That Christmas tree looks so sus. It's made out of prison. It looks suspicious. Something has gone wrong with this Christmas tree. It's a cube. It's made of present. Present. Yes, I don't know how to spell it. Bowling. So smooch it. Subscribe now if you guys are subscribed, and please like. Let's go. Okay. Nothing.